everyone, it's Michelle, and today I'm super excited because it is my February Battle of the Boxies. And I know what you're thinking. Michelle, you complain about Boxycharm every month. Why are you still subscribed? And my answer is because I'm a glutton for punishment, baby. I just keep hoping they're gonna wow me. And some months they do, and that's the problem, and that's why I stay subscribed. Sometimes they really knock it out of the park. I can't help that I really don't like most months. It is what it is. Anyway, you know the drill. I've got the basic box and I've got the premium box. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox both of them. We're gonna go through what I got and I'm gonna tell you if I think it's worth it or not. So let's get into it. First up, we've got the basic box. I don't even know what to call it anymore. It is $25 and I think it's supposed to be over like $100 worth of product, something like that. Is there a card? It usually comes with a card to tell you everything you got. Cool. Well, that's unfortunate. I just now opened it, so it's not like it could have gone anywhere. All right. Luckily, some of this I should be able to find the price for, maybe. Okay. Well, that means I don't even know what the theme is. Okay, guys, sorry this is all over the place. I just looked up the theme. It's a door. The first item is this EVO Skin Aurora Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. So I'm not normally into like facial wipes. I don't like makeup remover cloths, but these are biodegradable, so I do think that's really cool at least. I'll definitely test them out. How many does it come with? I don't know, but I'll give them a try. These retail for $10, so I don't even know how much makeup wipes cost. That's probably average, right? I don't know. Next up is the choice item. We actually got a choice this month between this foundation, some skincare stuff, maybe a palette. I honestly don't remember. And I chose the Becca foundation. I've never tried this one. This is, whoo, it's light. This is the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. I got it in the shade Linen. I've heard it smells like paint. Can't confirm yet. This does retail for $44, so I am actually super excited to test out this foundation. This is great to me. Next up is the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. I am familiar with their Extraordinary, just translucent setting powder. I'm wondering if this one's tinted. I don't really know the difference. No, that looks pretty stark white too, just like their other one. I'm gonna read about this. I'm not always the biggest fan of coconut in my products just because it can break you out. Doesn't smell like coconuts. Yeah, we'll see. The only thing, their other powder that's kind of like this, it does leave a white cast, so this makes me a little nervous. I don't know. It retails for $22 though. We've got the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. This is the smaller size, so it retails for $17, and I've never actually used these before. I know they're pretty popular. I do like the brand, what I've tried from them, but I can't speak to whether or not I would like these. What are these even for? White pad across face, neck, and décolleté once or twice daily after cleansing. I don't know. It's not something I really care about. I'm so negative, guys. Sorry. It's just, it's all right. I'm glad that First Aid Beauty's in the box, but I don't know. I don't know about these. Then the last thing in my basics box is this brush trio. Oh, they're from Alamar Cosmetics. All right, this trio retails for $36. Feels okay. That's really soft, actually. That's an interesting, might be good for bronzer, I don't know. I don't have a damn slip, so I can't really tell what they're supposed to be used for. They're really soft though. I'll definitely give these a try. These are nice. They retail, did I say, for $36? Okay. Don't really like this one, but all right. All right, that was it for our base box. Let's move on to the premium box. Oh, thank God, this one's got a slip. Okay. I'm gonna try not to be negative, but let's just get this out of the way. So this is the, I don't know, guys, Fakia? It's the 24K Gold Foil Moisturizer. It says the retail is $100. Bullshit. This is something that I feel like I would find at a TJ Maxx or a Marshall's. I'm really not a fan of them putting these fucking skincare brands in that no one's ever heard of that may or may not be good. I don't know, man. They keep doing this with like, I don't know, some of the weird brands they've had, like Avant, QMS. There's been a few other ones that I'm just like, I don't know these brands. And it's okay, I like trying new things, but not when it feels cheap to me, not when it feels gimmicky. Like I've seen this unwrapped and it just looks tacky. I don't know. I'm just not a fan. And I don't buy that it retails for $100. I think that's bullshit. So there's that. All right, next we've got the Korres body butter. It retails for $32. What does it smell like? Bergamot pear. That sounds lovely. Ooh, it smells good. I'm really not a lotion person or like a body butter person, but I really want to start getting into it. I take such good care of my face skin. I need to start taking care of my body skin, so I need to make it a habit, like lotioning down when I get out of the shower. So I am gonna use this actually. I'm so excited about this. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. I like pretty much everything I've tried from the brand Glow Recipe, and I've really been wanting to try this. I'm glad it's not all separated and gross looking. Let's see, is the mist fine? It smells just like their pink juice moisturizer. It smells like their watermelon glow sleeping mask. This is everything I wanted it to be. So happy to have this. And this retails for $28. This box was $35. So right there, almost the price of the box. All right, then we've got the Tarte Cosmetics Double Duty Beauty Base Tape Hydrating Primer. This retails for $30. I do like hydrating primers. I just have a lot of primers already, but that's okay. Let's see what it looks like. Does it come out white? I don't know. I don't want to open it yet because I already do have so many primers on backup I need to use, but I'll give it a try for sure. All right, then we've got the Picante palette from Carity. It's a 21 pan eyeshadow palette. It retails for $29. It looks okay. I'll probably look at reviews before I dip into it, decide if I actually want to keep it or not. It's nothing I need or want, but I mean, you never know. Maybe if the formula's bomb, it's worth it, but it's all right. Last but not least, the thing I'm the most excited for, we got an Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush in this box. These retail for $40, like a bougie blush, and I don't actually have one yet. Ooh, that's pretty. I got the shade Diffused Heat. Not sure how well you can see it, but it's just a beautiful pinky peach color. Very excited to play with that. Now that we've got both boxes unboxed, let's talk digits. So the retail value of my base box was $129. I personally wouldn't have paid anything for the wipes just because I'm not into these types of products. Same thing with the facial radiance pads. To me, this is just creating waste. I don't really think it's necessary, so same thing with this powder. Honestly, the most I've ever paid for the other one is $5 because I've gotten it as like an add-on through FabFitFun, and the other one leaves a white cast, so I don't know, it makes me nervous. I mean, put $5 on it, why not? We'll say I'd pay $5 for it. The Becca foundation, if this was on sale for like half off at Ulta, I would have probably picked it up eventually. Maybe not, I have a lot of foundations, but I'd pay $20 for this. It's hard to say with these brushes. They do feel really soft and nice, but I usually end up like reselling the brushes I get in Boxycharm. I think I'm actually gonna give these a try, so I would put $10 on this. So that means to me, I think this box is worth $35. I paid $25 for it, so hey, I got my money's worth this month. Awesome. Let's move it over to the premium box. All right, my premium box retail value is $259. I paid $35 for it. I will say out of the $259 though, 100 of those dollars is coming from this bullshit, so keep that in mind. I wouldn't pay anything for this. I don't trust it. I think it's junk. I could totally take it back, and if I do, I'll put it in the description box below after I look into the ingredients, but not interested at all. This eyeshadow palette, same thing. I wouldn't have paid anything for this just because, like I said, I don't, it's nothing I need or want. I would have never picked this one up, so I would pay nothing for this. Body butter is tricky because this isn't something I buy, and this is a big tube. $32? No. No. $10. Put $10 on it. I don't know. This Tarte primer, put $10 on this also. Like I said, I already have like so many favorite primers that I wouldn't have just picked this up to try, but I'd pay $10 for it. This baby, this is probably worth the $28, although it doesn't seem like much fluid, so I don't really know. My favorite setting spray is from ColourPop, and I think that one's like $11. I don't know. This is hard because I've really wanted this for a long time, and literally the price being $28 is the only thing that's held me back. But I think it's worth $28, so let's just keep it at $28. I never do that. All right, and then the Hourglass blush. I'm so freaking stoked to have this and to play with it. I would never pay $40 for a blush though. Again, that's why I don't have one. Let's put like 25 on it. I don't know, that's reasonable. All right, so I'm putting this box valued at least $68 for me personally. I paid $35, so another win. I feel like this hasn't happened in a few months at least. Both boxes were worth it to me. It's a freaking miracle. I'm stoked. It's how they do it, man. They reeled me in again. I'll be around for another month at least. If you're subscribed to Boxycharm, I would love to know what you got in your boxes. Did you get the same things as me? Did you get something different? Let me know in the comments down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so, so much, and I'll see you later. Bye!